name's John, Kevin John, DB7. Action! Right, so I'm on the Aston Martin DB7. Bozo stripped all the pieces off, all the bumper and everything else. He started stripping all the body shelts, all that sticky shit that's underneath. So yeah, I'm attacking the welding now. This is rotten as Jesus. So as you can see under here, I had to replace the jacking mounts because this was all rotten. So that's the actual jacking mount. Like you can see, it's just a piece of, yeah, whatever. I've replaced all the inner sill. It was quite bad inside. The whole thing had been cavity waxed apart from the back end here. Somehow they'd missed all the cavity wax, all the rear there, so that's why I had to cut it all out. It started rotting from the inside. Like the outside here, it was just holes. That's all been replaced. The inner wing. I replaced the jacking mount. I replaced it with a 1.25mm plate. I'm not sure what thickness it was, but it was like paper. I'll show you the other side in a minute, just to show you the state on the car. It's a 1995 Aston Martin DB7. She's about 330 horsepower, supercharger. Like, she's a bit of a supercar. Some people call them supercars, but yeah, she's a nice old yoke. But once this is done, she'll be good as new again. I'll show you on the other side now. This is what we're trying to deal with. So as you can see here, the jacking mount's totally collapsed. Like, it's solid enough to hold it up on the lift. All this outer seal's got to come out. Inner seal's got to come out, and I stuck the camera inside. We've got an endoscopy camera. I stuck it inside, and you got rust to about there. So she started creeping from the back all the way to the front. So all this is going to be cut out. I'll redo all the drain channels. I haven't done it on the other side yet, but that'll all be done. So if any water gets in, she'd still be able to drain back out again. And when I finish doing this side, I'm going to drill a few holes inside just so I can draw the cavity wax back from where they stopped doing it. So then I can just weld it back up again. Now on this side, I left this piece open because some of the cavity wax inside is really thick. So you do one tack on the plate and you get a fire inside. Now, what I had to do one tack, one tack, one tack, have a look, blow the fire out, and that's it. There's nothing else I could do. I could chuck a damp rag in there, but I don't want to induce any more water into the sills or get it into the steel. Yeah, she's a lovely little yoke. It's bits of surface rust here and there. We have to go around the whole thing with a needle scaler. Nothing too harsh. There's a little bit of work on the chassis to be done. Yeah, she's looking good, but this will take a long time. This side, because it's so complicated. There's about 5 different layers inside there, which all need to be de-engineered or re-engineered, reverse engineered, if you want to call it that. So yeah, that's it. She's a lovely little project. So once the back end's been done, we're going to get to the front end. We're going to take off the front cross member. That's all going to be sandblasted, and we'll see what rust is on the front. Middle of the car is really good. There's a little bit of surface. Like, we'll have a look when we start stripping it. I can't see any big issues on the rest of the underneath. It just seems like the front and the back. Okay, as you can see here, the water's got in, and this part of the chassis got a little hole in it, so I really want to investigate this. I might have to redo the subframe mount. I'll jig it all, so I'll measure all the cross references just so it goes back in the right place, so you haven't got any crabbing going on when it's back on, especially with the amount of power this has got. You don't want it to be spinning out and stuff. So yeah, that's about it for now. Just keep watching the videos, and this is such a lovely project. Like, it's only a car at the end of the day, and it's full of rust, so that's what we do. Thanks.